So we have question number 2. It is question number 2 and this is part A. And the question reads that Rehema spent, so she spent 1/8 of her salary on transport, 1/4 on food, and we are told that she remained with 80,000 of her salary. So the first thing what we are given is that she spent 1/4 on food, and likewise she spent 1/8 of her salary on transport. So 1/4 on food and 1/8 on transport. So what is the total expenditure? What did she spend? The overall expenditure. So the overall is just the sum of these two. We sum up so that we know how much did she spend on food and on transport. So the expenditure is gonna be 1/4 plus 1/8. We have the common LCM here, the least common factor of these two numbers, 8 and 4 is 8. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, 2 times that is 2 plus 1. So we have 3/8. So 3/8, this is the total expenditure. Total expenditure is 3/8. So after having the total expenditure, we have the remaining. What is the remaining fraction of the total salary? So the remaining salary is going to be the remaining, we write the remaining salary, the remaining fraction of the salary will be how much? It will be, take 1, so it will be equal to 1 minus the total expenditure, which is 3/8. So 1 minus 3/8 is going to be the remaining fraction of the salary. So what is it? 1 minus 3/8. Let me write it here so that we can see it clearly. Write it here. So 1 minus 3/8 is going to be equal to, we have the LCM 8 because 1 can be written as 1/1. So 8 divide that is 8 minus, this is 1, 3, it's going to be 5/8. So this is the remaining. So after having the remaining, we just have one thing to do. So let the total salary be S. So having 5/8 times S is going to be the given remaining salary, which was 80,000. So this is just a small algebraic expression or equation, not expression, it is an algebraic equation which can be solved easily. How do we solve it? Multiply by 8 to each term so that we can get S. So take 5/8 multiplied by 8 times S is equal to 80,000 times 8. So 8 and 8 is going to cancel out, and we are going to remain with 5S 80,000 times 8 divide by 5 both sides so that we have S. So this and this is going to be S is equal to, by 5 we have 1 and by 5 here we have 16,000. We multiply this times 8. So 8 goes 8 times, we have 4 and that is 12 and 000. So this is the total salary because we say let the total salary be S, and so we conclude therefore the total salary is 128 shillings. Was it in T shillings? Yeah, it was just shillings. Shillings, that much. That's all.